Hey guys, we're doing a spicy noodle no reaction challenge. Let's go.
Hiya friends, welcome back to the channel. Like that!
Hiya friends, welcome back to the channel.
And then?
Like that!
Okay.
So,
we're gonna eat these. I know who's gonna crack it. I'm adding this up as well. So are you ready?
no.
Shut up.
My foot is gonna burn.
Ew! And another favorite of mine, some Parmesan cheese. Yes.
Ano ba yan? Apakaw.
Wait! Why is it hard? You do the honest thing.
Ako una?
Yeah.
Ako talaga una? Hindi ba sabay tayo?
Sabay ba?
Hindi na ako una
No,
bukas.
it has to be like
Sabay nga!
a no reaction thingy, so you first.
Sabay nga tayo. Cheers.
It's not spicy.
Tanga maanghang.
Is it?
Kumain
The
ka pa.
other one is spicy.
No, ito mas spicy to. Kumain ka pa. Ang onti lang kinukuha mo eh.
Oy,
Mamaya.
when you watch this video, watch this.
Kain tayo. Ayaw ako.
It's been a while since we used this camera.
Yan. Cheers. Second bite.
Now for the jalapenos. The smell though. Smell
May
it.
paa. May paa. Ha? May paa. Ano yan? Sa'yo lang yan eh.
Ano ka? More?
Okay na yan.
Oh, last.
Ayaw ko kasi.
Because there's two of us.
Ayun na yung pwet mo na ito. Lalabas si cauliflower mo.
There's one. Make sure you have one.
Ayun, one.
No, that's half.
One!
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Ah, si...
You don't like it?
Okay lang.
You don't want to eat anymore?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Sakto lang yung anghang. Ang kakainin ko kasi. Bicol Express.
Spicy?
Try more too.
No, I don't eat pork. I don't eat pork!
Spicy.
No, I don't like...
Tanga parang ano siya. Tikman mo lang. Guys, ayaw tumikim. Parang tanga. Here comes the plate!
It's supposed to be a ramen noodle challenge. No?
Okay. Ramen
Ew,
slash.
I don't like pork.
Tanga, tikman mo hindi naman lasang pork. Ano?
Okay.
Diba?
Tastes like century tuna. What the F? Yan, tikim mo ta.
Siya na lang uubos mo.
Yeah, exactly.
Pakainin mo to.
No.
Ginger.
Oh, ginger. Oh my god, why do you have to do that?
Hindi ma-focus. Kasi siya.
Run, it's supposed to be like a spicy noodle challenge. But
Naging mukbang na.
Later.
Namumula na yung mukha. Eh? No! 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 I already did. Sinta. Sinta, no.
Pinahaan mo akong pork.
O, kain ko ulit ng pork. O, kain ko ulit
So
ng
it's
pork.
okay, no.
Asim eh. Namihan. No burp challenge. No burp challenge, Namihan. Huwag ka mag-burp pa. Hindi pa. Huwag ka mag-burp pa.
What's the price?
Sampaling kita pa. Burp.
It hurts.
Ang daya mo, may lumalabas ng ano eh. Burp sa ano mo.
Your turn. It hurts my tummy. Onte. Onte.
Ikaw yung onte.
O, sampal.
Ini-burp ka na sa loob ng bibig mo.
I did not.
Ang unti pa yung inom.
You want me to burp?
Ako
Ang duga! No, kasi nag-inom ka.
Parang natatae lang. Nga pa. Tanga hindi lalabas yan pag di mo yun. Oh. Inom ka. Ano mo yan? Sabi niya.